The other story is coming in from Delhi and Kashmir. Remember, this has links to what happened earlier in Kashmir. But what you see on your screen are images from outside the J&K house in the national capital. Now, these are all the Akali Dal Karyakartas who earlier were protesting. We do see Manjinder Singh Sirsa and other prominent netas of the Akali Dal, and they are protesting against a forced conversion of 2 Kashmiri girls that was reported earlier. Now, they claim that these 2 girls were abducted, later married as a part of this conversion racket. They also now call for an anti-conversion law in Kashmir. And as I said, the Akali Dal also has come forward to question the silence of the netas from the valley on this particular incident. Our colleague Zinat earlier spoke to Mufti Nasirul Islam on this entire case. We quickly listen in to what he has to say.
See the development coming on ground when the Manjinder Singh Sirsa is alleging that the ulamas, the leaders, the political as well as the religious leaders are not helping, they are not coming forward.
No, I have already issued a statement, I think a couple of hours before. And this news came to me is a shocking one. And forced conversion is not allowed in Islam. And if anyone has done wrongdoing, and he needs to be punished. And I want government to investigate this matter properly, and grievances of Sikh community needs to be addressed properly.
So what will be the first step from your side, being the Grand Mufti of J&K?
I have said that we are with the community and will help them in whatever possible way it may be, and let them approach us also, and we will see exactly their grievances are addressed properly.
Will you wait for them to approach you, or you will extend a helping hand by inviting the 2 families?
I will do that. I will invite both the families and I will sort out this matter.
There is a demand from the Sikh community for the implementation of anti-conversion law. Do you support this, and how do you see this?
See, conversion has to be by choice, by merits. And this is not possible. India is a democratic country, and everybody has a right to see his future prospects. And we cannot compel anyone to have the to change or not to change religion. This is his choice.
Is your court going to conduct an inquiry?
I have said that we'll do that.
And how long it is going to take you?
I'm going to issue the summons to the party, and I'll call them and I'll see exactly what their grievances are, and we'll decide it on merits.
Are you going to issue summons today, or it will take a couple of days?
No, maybe tomorrow morning. I have already asked my people to issue summons to them and bring them here.